Today I'm gonna be showing you that this thing has a magnet on it. Guys, I'm not even joking. Guys, I'm not even joking. Wait, I'm coming. You see this key, guys? You see this key? When I stuck it here. You see the key? Like look. You see, it can stuck. It can stuck on anything. Like this scissors. You see? You see, like this scissors. It can stuck on anything. You see, like it has a magnet on it. You see, look. Look guys, I'm not even joking. Look guys, I did not put any sellotape or glue. It's just regular, you see. So bye guys.